Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lauren. Be sure to subscribe so you can stick around and join the family. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I know this video may seem kind of irrelevant with everything going on because I'm not really leaving my house, so why exactly am I showing you guys what's in my bag? But I use this bag for literally everything. I use it pretty much every time I leave the house, but since I won't be going back to school until September, it's basically going to become like my everyday bag. I've been watching these videos a lot with everything going on. I'm just home doing nothing, so I've gotten back into watching these videos and they're honestly like one of my favorite kinds of videos, so I thought it'd be really fun to film. Yeah, let's just get on with the video. Okay, so this is my bag that I use for school, work, and just about anything, to be completely honest with you. Many of you have probably seen this bag before. This bag is called a Longchamp tote bag in a size large and in the color black. I love this bag so much. I got it for Christmas, this past Christmas in 2019, and I love it. I actually haven't even looked in it since I came back from school 2 weeks ago, so I don't know what's in it. I know for a fact that my school supplies aren't in it though. The only school supplies I use are like a notebook and a folder and then my laptop. So those are the only things that aren't in here that usually are in here. So it has a double strap, which is great. I love this bag because it's durable and it's like water resistant. So it's like if it rains, the water doesn't seep through, which is great. It comes with this clip right here, and then it also has a zipper, which I love so much. There's one big main compartment and then there's also a little pocket right here. So I'm going to start with what's in the little pocket. So the first thing I have in here is the little Longchamp paper that comes with the bag. Most designer brands have a little piece of paper that comes in like their bags and stuff, so that's there. I also have my dorm keys because I don't keep them on my regular keys usually because it bothers me, and I also haven't been in my dorm in 2 weeks. Then I have a pen, and lastly I have a little mini Louis Vuitton perfume. So that's it for the little pocket. As you can see, it's really small. It's literally like this big, so I just keep like very little things in there. So now moving on to the main compartment of the bag. First thing I have in here is a phone charger with an adapter because I feel like my phone is literally always dying considering I basically work from my phone. I also have my blue light glasses in here because I'm always on my phone and my computer, especially at school, so these come in handy when I start to like get a headache or if I know I'm going to be on my laptop for a really long time. I actually haven't used them since I was at school, so that's kind of a problem, and that's kind of probably why I've had so many headaches. Then I have my black Ray-Ban aviators and their case. These are just the regular aviators that pretty much everyone has. I literally love them so much, and I want to get a new pair really soon. Then I have my regular glasses, my eyeglasses. I need glasses to see far, so these are like the glasses that I wear pretty much on a daily basis, but since I haven't been leaving the house, I haven't been wearing them. That was my last pair of glasses, I swear. So the next thing I have in here is a charger for my portable charger, and then I have my portable charger as well. This is the portable charger from Rolling Loud. I pre-ordered it and then I picked it up at Rolling Loud, and I'm gonna be so honest with you, best thing I've ever bought. It was literally like $20-25 and so worth it. It takes forever to die. That's where my Apple Watch was. Guys, I've been literally looking for my Apple Watch for so long. Is it dead? Oh my god, it's actually not dead. I'm shook. Wow. That's great. So the next thing I have in here is a huge water bottle. This is Core Water. I normally never buy this water or even drink it, but my parents bought a huge pack of them before everything went down, and I don't even know how long this water has been in this bag. The next thing I have in here is my school ID, which is actually, sorry, my nails are gross. We're in quarantine and I can't go get my nails done, but you guys can't really tell, but like the picture is actually cute. I actually kind of like my ID picture for school. So then I have a pack of gum that looks literally destroyed, and there's literally only two pieces of gum left in it. Next thing I have in here is Aquaphor. I use this as chapstick really often. It's great if you get like really dry lips. My lips are dry like every freaking 20 minutes, so like this is great. Yeah, love this. Oh look, I have another chapstick. This is a Blistex chapstick, the ultra rich hydration. The next thing I have in here are my AirPods. I actually just put them in here for this video, so like everything was already in here except these because I literally just like threw them in here. The next thing in here is school related. since I'm a first year student, my school gives out these folders. They give it to us so that we can like put everything for like our schedules for like the following year and stuff. So this just has a bunch of my stuff to like make my schedule for next year, so that's great. Then I also have this in here. So this is like a pencil pouch basically, and it comes with my DC book bag. DC is Danielle Carolyn. For those who don't know, that's my favorite YouTuber ever. I love her so much. She's literally the best, and I have her book bag, and I used to use it for school, but it started getting kind of messed up, and I didn't want to mess it up anymore, so I just keep the pencil pouch in here. I keep pills, because you never know. And then just the basic stuff. I have a few pens, a few pencils, and a highlighter, and that's literally all that's in there. The next thing I have in here is my planner, and guys, when I tell you this is like my lifesaver. I've been using my planner during quarantine. It's probably the only school thing I've been using because, you know, I've been doing online school. So, you know, I gotta keep track of my things. Literally, like, I have so much to do. Like, last week, insane, like, literally insane. I'm really glad that I have this because I literally love this thing and would be lost without it. And so the last thing in here is my wallet and my car keys. This is just the Louis Vuitton key pouch, and obviously I just keep the basics in here. I have like $10 in here, and then I have like my IDs, my cards, then I have my car keys on here, as well as this little Louis Vuitton lock, which I plan on putting on like a necklace. I just want to find like the perfect chain for it, so I'm like waiting for that. But yeah, so that is it. There's nothing else in my bag. Another great thing about this bag, guys, is that it literally folds down. It literally folds down like this, so if you ever need to like store it and put it away, it's literally the best. It's huge, it's perfect, and it's probably like the best bag that I've ever used for school because I don't really like using book bags. I prefer tote bags, and this one is definitely like the most durable, best one I've ever had, and it's honestly not even that expensive. I know a lot of people really like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, which I love, and one day I will have it, but personally I probably wouldn't use that one for school because that one is over $1,000, whereas this one is less than $300. So definitely worth the money, not gonna lie. I love it. So yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what's in my bag. Like I said, I mainly use my bag for school, but now that I won't be going back to school till September, it's basically going to turn into my everyday bag. Even though it already was, the only school supplies I ever kept in there were my laptop and my notebook. I will have a link down below to the bag in case anyone is interested in buying it. I bought it from Nordstrom, but you can buy it from the actual Longchamp website if you'd like. And yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!